going on, guys? Welcome to your IT journey. Today's video I'm going to show you how to reset a user account's password in Active Directory. So first, locate the user object either by going through your OUs, or you can just right click on the domain name here, go to find, locate the user that you're looking for. Just go ahead and right click. It's really simple. Right click, hit reset password. This dialog box is going to come up. Choose the new password for the user. Something as simple as welcome123. Confirm. Now, if you want to force the user to change their password at their next login, then go ahead and leave this box checked. If not, you can uncheck it. If the user's account is locked at the time that you're doing this, you can check this to unlock it at the same time. So go ahead, okay. The password for John Doe has been changed. Whoever the user is that you're changing, it'll be their name here, and hit okay. And that's it. Now you can update the ticket or email the user saying your password's changed. Here's your temporary password. Next time that you log in, it's going to force you to change it. Go ahead and do that. And that's it. Thank you, guys. Please like, share, comment if you found this video to be helpful. Thank you.